Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super fun after school / work snacks video for you with 3 amazing recipes. Before I get into that though, I have a very exciting announcement about my book. It is available for pre-order, so it is on like Amazon, Indigo, Barnes & Noble, all of that. You can go and click the link in the description box below and pre-order it. And when you do, you will actually get a free ebook right now that has recipes that are not in the book. You just go to my website and enter your information after you pre-order and the book will be sent to you. So the book is called Live Bees Vegan on a Budget, 112 Inspired and Effortless Plant-Based Recipes, and here it is right here. So with these recipes, you will not be spending a ton of time or a lot of money making them. It's just really like straightforward and simple, but absolutely delicious food. So I'm so excited for you guys to be able to pre-order. Okay, so getting into the video. I know these seem kind of like bigger portions, but of course you guys can just cut back on the portions. Like for example, for the waffles, the amount makes 3 waffles, but you can either cut that in half, like cut the recipe in half, or you could honestly just save the batter and have it like 3 days in a row and have 1 waffle each day. Or you could make all 3 waffles and then freeze them and just stick it in the toaster. So the sky's the limit. Like, don't let the amount of food, if you only like small snacks, don't let the amount of food like overwhelm you. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. That is everything I have to say for now, so let's get into it. You are going to start off by chopping a carrot into carrot sticks, and then you also want to chop up some cucumber into cucumber sticks. You can do as much or as little of this as you like, of course. Then you want to wash and chop some grape or cherry tomatoes and just cut those in half or in smaller pieces. And then also slice up a little bit of red onion and then also cut an avocado and dice that up. Then you want to get some hummus. Look how satisfying this is to look at. And take a giant scoop and then kind of smooth that out on the plate so that it just has a bigger surface area and it's a little bit flat. And then you're going to top it with the cherry tomatoes, some of the red onion, and the avocado. A little sprinkle of black pepper, and then add the cucumber and carrots for dipping. You could also dip in some tortilla chips or pita chips or even just ripped up pieces of pita. That would also be good as well. So to make the waffles, you want to get an egg replacer. So I'm using the Bob's Bread Mill egg replacer and just following the instructions on the packet to make 1 egg. And then just set that aside while we make the waffle batter. So you're just going to add in the flour, baking powder, sugar, and cinnamon and stir that all together until it's combined. Then you're going to add in your non-dairy milk and the egg replacer egg and a little bit of oil, and then just stir that up until it is combined into a batter. Then you want to just plug in your waffle iron. I am using this tiny one. The brand is called Dash. I'm pretty sure you can get them at Urban Outfitters actually. And then you just want to make the waffles. So spread 1/3 of the batter into your waffle maker. Obviously, if you have a larger waffle maker, you'll need to do a little bit more. So just adjust this depending on the size of the equipment that you have. And in the meantime, I chopped up some strawberries, and I also decided to use this, it's like a vegan version of Nutella. It's called Nutiva, and it is a dairy-free chocolate hazelnut spread. This stuff is amazing. So I put a good dollop of that on top and kind of swirled it around. And then I added on the sliced strawberries, a little bit of chocolate chips, and then a little sprinkle of crushed walnuts. You can totally top these with whatever you like, but the strawberry and chocolate combination has always been a favorite of mine. So if you guys are interested, you should definitely try this one out. So you just want to get a bagel, and if you just want to use 1/2, that's totally fine, or you can use the whole bagel like I'm doing here. And then you want to spread some pizza sauce, or if you're really adventurous, you can use Thai red curry sauce, which is what I used in one of my previous videos when I made a Thai red curry pizza, and I am still so obsessed with it. I have it at least once a week. And then you're just going to put on some vegan cheese shreds, some mushrooms, red peppers, red onion, and a little bit of green onion. And then just put that in your oven on broil so that it gets nice and crispy and the cheese can get melted. And this will only take a couple minutes, so just make sure you keep an eye on it so that it doesn't burn. I really hope you guys enjoyed these recipes, and if you're looking for more recipes, I linked them up top here, all my old videos, and there's also recipes on my website, of course. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget that you can go check out my book that is now available for pre-order. If you do pre-order it, come back to my website and enter your information so that you can get the free ebook right away with 10 recipes from breakfast to dessert. I guess that is everything I have to say for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for being here. I appreciate and love you guys so much. And yeah, I guess I will see you in my next video. Bye.